Accurately locating and identifying underground utilities is growing in importance. Despite the awareness around safe excavation procedures, millions of dollars in preventable damages and injuries continue to be reported each year. Today's more challenging subsurface environment places operators with the ability to use a full range of locating technology at a distinct advantage. Utility locators need to effectively locate and verify all subsurface utilities, verify as-built records, and develop accurate underground maps for subsurface utility engineering projects. Ground penetrating radar is essential for locating non-conductive utilities and complements the use of conventional induction locating devices. GPR uses radio waves to detect traditionally non-locatable subsurface features, such as non-metallic pipes, including PVC and asbestos cement, concrete storm and sewer systems, utilities where installed tracer wiring has failed, underground storage tanks, tile and septic system components, non-utility structures such as vaults, foundation walls, and concrete pads. Adding GPR to your locating toolkit allows you to increase the range of jobs you can tackle and reduces errors and uncertainty. Sensors and Software's GPR products are rugged and easy to use. The LMX family of systems provides the perfect balance of price and capability to meet all the GPR needs of a modern locating business. The LMX100 allows you to quickly and easily locate targets, mark their location, and determine their depth. Operation is simple. View the screen as you are collecting data. Note when you pass over a target. Back up to mark the location on the ground and move on. The LMX200 is the premier GPR locating tool in the market today. Sensors and Software's new and breakthrough dynamic target enhancement technology, DynaT, is like 3 GPRs in one. DynaT optimizes views of shallow, medium, and deep targets. These views can be toggled by the user and displayed individually or together, giving you unprecedented insights and target confidence. Data collected in a rectangular grid delivers real-time 3D depth slicing on-site. Depth slicing reveals the orientation between multiple pipes and cables at different depths and outlines the extent of vaults, foundations, and buried tanks. Especially useful at complex sites. LMX200 allows you to locate utilities and assign color classifications directly on the touchscreen in real time as they are located. These targets are immediately visible in plan views and are included in output reports. At any point during the survey, you can save screen captures of line data, map views, and depth slices, and by connecting to a Wi-Fi network or hotspot, you can instantly email a mini report from the display unit to your office or your customers. LMX200's built-in GPS allows you to easily display your location in Google Earth and other similar geo-referenced platforms. Working with the available GPS kit, identified targets can be displayed on the unit in a map view. This provides further confirmation of linear features, suggesting further areas to review before you leave the site. With a high-accuracy GPS, you can save time by avoiding the need to set up a grid for data collection. Simply scan back and forth across the area of interest and seamlessly post-process your data into 3D depth slices. Data can be saved to a memory stick for archiving and transferred to a computer. Files can be exported or seamlessly opened and analyzed using Echo Project GPR analysis software. This powerful, intuitive program allows easy interpretation and processing, as well as advanced report generation. It also enables easy integration into CAD drawings and GIS databases. The LMX200 provides enhanced capabilities in a system designed with the future in mind. Everything from daily locate and mark use right up to tasks with professional utility locators, engineers, and surveyors. Meet today's needs and the future needs of your growing business with the LMX200 GPR. To learn more about how Sensors and Software's GPR solutions can benefit your business, contact us.